Hi guys, we're back and this is the trade-off. We are on our 8th now trade. This is very exciting because there's been some great news and it's flown up very quickly. Got me in there where I've set up previously with my buy limit and sell limit at the top there, and I've already set my next limit above there. If I can change the size of this, 30 minutes. There you are, you can see it there right at the top. My next one's ready to go should it go that high. I've set up my take profit straight away, so everything really is ready to go. At the moment we've got 5 out of 5 trades 100%. We are currently in trade 6 and 7 on the pound NOK and the pound Danish kroner. This is our 8th trade, so we'll see how this all goes. I'll let you know, and hopefully we'll see it coming back down towards that take profit in the next couple of days, guys. So I'll keep you informed and let you know how it all goes. Hi guys, and we are back. We are out of the trade already. It's only been a day. Fantastic trade, nice and easy. Again, we got in around about there. We got out just about down here somewhere, which is where the mean was. Again, it's come down nearly 100 pips in a day, which is fantastic. But yeah, guys, again, out with a profit. This is our 6th out of 6th trade, 100%. Everything has been a profit so far, and I'll show you that right now in our history. As you can see, today we have the £20.24 minus commission and swaps, and there we have it, 1968 pure profit, 50 pips. Obviously every 10 pips is £4, so we've got there 50 pips there, which is lovely. And in total, guys, so far since the start of this, which we started on the 4th of March, as you can see, fantastic profit so far. We are up to just over 18% growth on the account. Again, another 2% growth today alone. So yeah, again, we have everything. Every single thing has been profitable so far. Obviously the negatives with the Euro USD there are also with the 51.70 here that we got. So again, that's a profitable trade overall, and the rest of them are just blues. It's just amazing. This strategy, the 93 Strat, is just fantastic. It's doing so well for me on my real account. So guys, if you're interested in this and want to watch this journey and how far I've come, again, it's not even the end of the month yet, and we've already grown 18%. So if that interests you and you want to follow, please subscribe. There'll be a subscribe button on the right bottom corner. And yeah, here's some other videos again for you to look over and just see how well we've been doing. Goodbye for now.